So I actually wasn't going to make this video, but I've had so many people asking me when my workbook was going to come out. So after months of writing, editing, rewriting, changing my mind, changing it again, and probably drinking just way too much coffee, I have finally finished it. And today I kind of wanted to show you guys what it was, why I made it, and who it's actually for. Okay, so hopefully this will be a really quick video, but why I made it, just so you guys are aware. One of the things I heard over and over again was people have watched my videos, but they don't know how to start, or they watched a video 6 months ago and they can't remember where I talked about something, or I wish all of this information was all in one place. And honestly, I mean, I get it. I've made hundreds of videos over the years. There are Etsy tip videos, Canva tutorials, AI videos, shop reviews, print-on-demand strategies, Pinterest videos, customer service, and it is a lot. And I can't always remember where I talked about any particular thing. So I started thinking, what if I organized this into a kind of workbook that I wish I had when I started? So not random tips, not fluffs, not a 300-page textbook, but the things that actually matter. And so this was important to me. And I didn't just want another generic book filled with generic advice that you've seen 1,000 times before. Nothing like, find a niche, make quality products. Thanks, very helpful. Instead, in this workbook, I've talked about things that I've actually done, mistakes I've made, things that worked, things that didn't, things that completely failed, shop reviews I've done, questions you guys have asked me. Basically, 5 years of trial and error all organized into one place. So just because I wanted to show you guys, this is the book right here. So it is about 254 pages, so it's still pretty big, but it has a lot inside, and I'm going to show you some of it here. But the paperback version is available on Amazon. The PDF version, I have a link in the description below every video for. It's a PDF version that I sell on Etsy, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But I wanted to talk a bit about what was inside, so that you guys know if it's something that you're interested in, So it covers things like choosing a niche, researching competitors, building listings, creating better images, using AI, customer service, marketing, growing your shop. There are worksheets, there are checklists, because I wanted it to be something you could actually use, not something that just sat in a folder on your computer forever. And I don't know about you, but I have enough PDFs that I've never opened again. So I didn't want this to become one of them. So I want to be honest about who this is for. If you've been selling on Etsy for 10 years, if you're making 6 figures, you probably don't need this. But if you're just getting started, if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're trying to figure out what to work on next, or if you've had a shop where things just aren't clicking, then I think this will save you a lot of time. Okay, so honestly, I wrote it for, a version of me 5 years ago who didn't know what they were doing when they started. Because I made almost every mistake you can possibly make. And if somebody had handed me this book back then, it probably would have saved me a lot of time and a lot of hard lessons. So I know some other influencers have big, expensive courses, and I didn't want to do that because I wanted it to be something everybody could afford, something you could use, and something that was just available. When I first started, I didn't have money for $1,000 courses, so I wanted to make sure that this is something that if you're interested in it and you want it, you can actually afford to buy it. And by the way, I'm going to tell you this right now. If you use the code member20, when you check out, you will save 20%. So member20 if you're interested. Anyways, I also wanted to thank you guys. I mean, seriously, if it wasn't for you, the book wouldn't exist. So a lot of what's in it came from questions, comments, AI questions, customer service questions, and just shop reviews, things that I see people struggle with over and over again. So if you're interested in checking it out, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick. So the listing here. So this is the listing that I have on my Etsy shop right here. And again, there will be a link in the description below this video. So you can shoot through the listing if you're curious. It'll show you what's inside of the workbook, kind of go over what's included, the bonus resources, the worksheets, different guides. And so you can see that. What you would get, by the way, if you purchased it, is you would get a little card that says this, and a little link that says click here to access your link, and it would take you to a Google Drive folder where every single chapter is in here individually, so you can easily jump through the different chapters and make it so that it's not some giant download that you can't possibly download, because when I first tried it, it was way too big to attach on its own. And I also wanted to show you here on my Canva real quick, just so you know, it really did take me months and months and months of making this, not just writing it, but having to actually edit, 254 pages and design them. Really did take forever, but I wanted to show you guys the table of contents real quick so you guys knew what was in it. Obviously, there's an introduction, and then Chapter 2 is the foundations and mindset, and that has a worksheet with it. Chapter 3, understanding the business of print on demand, and that has a worksheet with it. Income strategy and sales math, and that has a worksheet with it. Building your business foundation, again, that has a worksheet with it. Niche selection and market research, that also has a worksheet with it. And there's a bonus right there of 50 profitable niches for print on demand on Etsy. Next chapter was designing products that sell. That has a worksheet with it. And it has a bonus Canva tutorial on how to create your first t-shirt design if you haven't started yet. Chapter 8, using AI to scale your business. That also has a worksheet, and that also has a business that includes many AI prompts that are very beneficial for anybody who's doing print on demand. I have a chapter on products and print providers, also with a worksheet. A chapter on setting up your Etsy shop, also with a worksheet. Creating high converting listings, also with a worksheet, and a bonus listing example where I go through everything that you need to have in your listing. I also have a marketing and traffic chapter, including a bonus on how to create Pinterest pins. I have a chapter on managing your business, and it has a bonus customer service scripts. So depending on what you are needing to do, there is a script already made for that. I have a chapter on scaling to full-time income, and then a conclusion. And then I have 3 more bonuses, which is the 30-day launch plan, everything that you need to do in the first 30 days to launch a profitable business. A list of top business books that'll really help you in your understanding, and a bonus niche idea list that has hundreds of good niches if you are just stuck, that can really help you out. I wanted to show you guys really quick. I'm going to do the grid view of this just so that you can see what exactly would be in here. There are, again, over 250 pages in here, including bonuses and worksheets. So all sorts of things, lots of examples of some of my own stuff, and just, tons of stuff. There's, whole listing stuff, this Pinterest page, Instagram, Etsy. So kind of shows you how you can do all of that. And again, just tons of bonuses, tons of content, 30-day launch plan. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, again, there is a link below in the description below every video. Now you guys can check it out. And, if it's not for you, that's fine. If you know somebody who it might benefit, you can go ahead and send them a link. But I just wanted to have this here so that anybody who needed it could have it. And again, I also have a link to the hardback cover that's on Amazon. So if you are more of a, hard book kind of a person, that is also available too. And the link is, again, under the description below this video. Anyways, if you've been following this channel for a while, I just wanted to say thank you. I genuinely appreciate every comment, every subscriber, and, every review. It means the world to me. I'm very excited to make videos to help you guys out, and I hope to see you guys again in the next one.